and welcome to Guarantee RV here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you our brand new Kountry Star 2020. This unit here is 40 feet and it's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. And first thing I'm going to do is show you the floor plan, because this is one of our most popular floor plans and they go really fast. So come on in. So just a quick segue before I show you the back is the 220s have a brand new digital dashboard, and your comfort steer, everything is going to be right there in that digital dash for you to navigate and drive and do everything you need to do. The only thing that's not in there is your leveling system. So it's going to be very nice to drive, and we'll train you. We'll teach you how to do it. When you come inside, first thing you'll see is the brand new woodwork and accent centers, these gorgeous covers for your AC ducting, 2 lounge chairs, very much popular, very much ordered instead of a couch almost all the time, and the dinette, which is also a credenza and desk area for your computer. In the back corner you'll see where all your cords would go down. Very, very efficient floor plan. Desk for your computer, pencils, or silverware if that's what you prefer to do. This couch over here will make into a bed, and your TV will go down. It is a televator, and I might even be able to show you how that works. There you go. Coming over into the kitchen area, a slide out extra counter for chips and dip, extra counter space, very deep, nice to be able to store your condiments in the back, a double stainless steel sink with your faucet that extends, deep counters, cabinets, microwave, convection oven. I mean, it's got everything that you could ask for, and does not have an induction stovetop. It's a real live propane. People are loving this. Also, your refrigerator is 4 doors, nor cold, and I'm thinking it's electric and ice maker. I'm going to do some research on that, so I'll know for sure when you come in. This has got some more deep pantry storage for you. And before we go into the bedroom, I'll show you this guest bathroom. As you can see, it is brand new. We're not even unpacked yet. Very nice. King size bed. Windows on each side of the bed, and a nice 2 closet storage area with 5 drawers, and your stereo equipment below. This has got the glass front so that your remotes can reach all the equipment. Going into the rear bathroom, very nicely equipped, half circle shower, closet for washer and dryer, porcelain toilets, everything you need to make this your home on the road. This unit is plumbed for a washer dryer, but doesn't come with one. And that noise that you heard was the automatic flush on the toilet. So come on out. I'll show you some of the storage areas. Nice, tall, deep cabinets here. And for these, you can see from there that you've got a slide through or just a pass-through storage, and you can purchase those slide compartments. Makes everything so easy to get in and out of. Look at all that space. That's amazing. This is access to your water tank. They cover it with a pegboard in case you want to hang stuff off of it, use it for flat storage. and they do that to protect the water tank. And of course, the working compartment. This is a 360 XCR Cummins engine on a Freightliner chassis. On this side, it's your working side. You've got your tanks, your outdoor shower, your cords, everything you need for the efficient side of the rig. And well, other than coming in and taking a test drive, that's about all I can do for you on a video, and I hope to see you because you're going to love the way this drives. Just ask for me, Teresa, here at Guarantee RV at the number you can reach me at the number below. Have a great afternoon.